Hi everyone and welcome to Rain's Arts. So with this pour I'm doing a voiceover because the boys are watching rugby and it was a bit noisy. So what I'm attempting to do is what they call an angel wing pour. So I'm just loading the cup. Now the idea is you put the white in the bottom of the cup and then the colours on top. And as you can see, the canvas is on sort of a slant and you pour from the top and angel wings are supposed to appear. So I'm using the leftover paint from when I did my sunflower, just the yellows, and you can't see it on screen, but I'm loading up my cup with some colours, and I have to apologise in advance that my camera, because I used my phone, overheated and stopped recording halfway through this video, so you see half of it and then you see the finished product. So I'm sorry about that to begin with. I'm just scraping out the last of my yellow in my cup. I'm taking a long time in doing it. So I'm putting in a little jug so that it was easier to pour. I'm going to give this technique another try because I've been watching a few YouTubers and it looks really nice when it's done, but mine just didn't work. The white, as you can see, just didn't come out. I'm wondering if it would work better if you had like a split cup so the white pours out at the same time. The white didn't come out until the very end. So about at this stage I thought to myself, well, this isn't working the way I want it, so I'm going to change it and do something else. You can sort of see their wings kind of appearing down the bottom, but no, it just wasn't working out. So I thought I would spread it around the canvas and see what I could do with it. You can kind of see the idea is there. I just didn't get it. I don't know if the paint was not thick enough or what it was. I seem to do a lot of paintings in yellow. I must like yellow. I must try some other colours. So at this point I decided that maybe I should swipe it, and so I stood up so that my canvas was level and gave it a torch to get rid of all the bubbles, the air bubbles in there. picking out hairs and lumps. Always have hairs in your painting when you have animals. And another hair. So all that paint that's coming off onto the silicone mat there, I scrape all that up and put it in another jar for a base paint later on, so it's not wasted. Went off to wash my hands, come back, and I'm going to swipe it. Oh, found some more hair. So I get my little spatula. And I'm using Amsterdam Black with Australian Floetrol as a cell activator. And I'm just scraping the extra paint off there. I've got a little jar that I scrape the paint in, and I do things like this so I can use it again later. I was trying to see if any cells came up on those parts, but it didn't. So I think I decided to swipe it again, just to see what would happen. Oh no, I'm tilting it. One good thing about when you're doing fluid art, if you muck it up or it doesn't turn out the way you think it should, you can always do something to make it better or to change it so you like it more. And so there I go, I'm putting more Floetrol over there. You can see those beautiful cells coming up. Oh, rescued a cup full of paint. And I was just trying to stretch some of those cells out to cover the canvas. And I think it was round about here that my camera on my phone decided to stop working because it got too hot. So I apologize for that. So I will be back to show you what it looks like now that it's completed and dried. Hi guys, and welcome back. So this is what the painting looks like when I finished it. Now, unfortunately my camera overheated while I was in the middle of doing this, so you didn't see me do anything but swipe black, I think. So let's have a closer look and I'll show you what I did. So along this line here, I blew some of this out like this with a straw, and it made some really pretty colours and really nice lacing. They're not actually cells. And the black was just Amsterdam black and Australian Floetrol. And so what started out to be a disastrous angel paw attempt turned into something that I think's actually quite beautiful. So, and I'm wondering where these colours came from, given I only used yellows. So that's really interesting. Really like those colours though. And it's some nice details here. So when I'd finished swiping, I blew some out with a straw and just tilt it a bit off. And there was a lot of paint tilted off. People get really concerned about that. I just scraped it all up and put it in a bottle to use as a base coat for a later painting. So this is what it turned out. Sorry that the camera cut off halfway, but I hope you like the end result. I do. So thank you so much for tuning in. Till next time, take care and bye for now.